Hey guys, welcome back to another What's Cooking video. Today I'm making Korean beef bowls for dinner. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is make this delicious type teriyaki sauce, which is basically the holy grail of this entire recipe. Half cup low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sriracha, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, a 1/4 cup brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Then I'm going to mix it all together and put it to the side and move on to my ground beef. So I love making this recipe in my cast iron. I just feel it caramelizes the onions so well and really brings everything together. So I've just heated my cast iron. I added in some vegetable oil. I added in 3 cloves of diced garlic, 1 medium onion chopped, and I just cooked that together until the onion became a little translucent. Now I'm adding in 32 ounces of ground beef. So my stove is on a medium to high heat. I'm just going to separate the ground beef so it's properly mixed in with the onions before adding in any of my dry seasoning. So I'm going to add in some fresh thyme to my ground beef. It gives it so much flavor and it's just delicious. I'm just going to stir that up, and then I'm going to add in all of my dry ingredients. Garlic powder, some Old Bay. I'm also going to add in onion powder, salt, and pepper, and then I'm going to give that a good stir. Once the beef is basically cooked, meaning it's not red or pink anymore, I'm going to add in some diced yellow and green bell peppers, and I'm going to stir that up really well. So guys, if you notice that there's water or grease left behind from cooking your beef, go ahead and drain that before adding in the bell peppers. You just want to have as little water or grease left in the pot before we add in the sauce. So guys, now I'm just going to add the sauce to the pot and toss everything together, making sure that the beef is fully coated in this deliciousness. I'm going to allow it to cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm just going to add on some scallions and remove it from the stove. Guys, this is so good. I guarantee you, everyone in your family will love it. So there you have it, guys, delicious Korean beef. Whenever I make this recipe, this is how I like to serve it. I like to make it into a Korean bowl. It's so good, guys. You should try it. So thanks again for taking the time to watch another one of my videos. I'll see you in the next one.